Imagine waking up tomorrow with the chance to breathe a new life in the United States. A place of endless opportunities, world-class education, and a brighter future for you and your family. This is not just a dream, it could be your reality. The U.S. Diversity Visa Lottery 2025, also known as the Green Card Lottery 2025, is now open. And millions around the world are submitting their entries. But here is the truth. Not everyone qualifies, and only those who understand the requirement stand a real chance. So, are you ready to take the first step toward your American dream? Here is what you need to know. Requirement number 1, country of eligibility. You must be a native of a country with historical rate of immigration to the United States. If your country is on the eligible list, you are in. But even if it is not, you must still qualify through your spouse or even your parent's country of birth. Requirement number 2, education or the work experience. You must have at least a higher school education, 12 years course of formal schooling, or 2 years of the work experience within the past 5 years. In qualifying the job that requires at least 2 years of the training or experience. Remember, these rules are strict. If you don't meet them, you cannot move forward in the lottery of green card. Make sure subscribe here to IKIZAMINI TV. My name is Mtawazi. According to this page, entries for the Diversity Visa Program 2025 must be submitted electronically at dvprogram.state.gov. This is the website for application of the Green Card Lottery 2025. That is where open the gate. Everyone in the world must be entire for free because it's free to apply. So don't fall for the scammers who try to charge you. Only official website account is dvprogram.state.gov. This could be your golden ticket to the land of opportunity. Don't wait until the last minute. Submit your intro now and secure your chance. My name is Mtawazi. According to this page of the U.S. Department of the State, instruction for the 2025 Diversity Immigrant Visa Program. Of you, the Department of the State annually administer the statutory create Diversity Immigrant Visa Program. Section 203 of Immigration and Nationality Act provide for a class immigrant known as diversity immigrant from the countries with the historical rate of immigration to the United States for the fiscal year 2025 up to 5,500 diversity visas will be available. There is no cost to register for the diversity visa program, but select who are scheduled for the interview will be required to pay a visa application fee period to making their form visa application, where the consular officer will determine whether they qualify for the visa. Applicants who are selected in the program called Select must meet simple but strict eligible requirement to qualify for a diversity visa. The Department of the State determined the select through a randomized computer drawing. The Department of the State distributes diversity visas among the 6 geographical regions, and no single country may receive more than the 7% of the available diversity visas in any one year For the diversity visa 2025, native of the following country and area are not eligible to apply because more than 500 native of this country immigrated to United States in the previous 5 years. Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, and the People Republic of China, including Maryland and Hong Kong born, Colombia, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, India, Jamaica, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, Republic of Korea, South Korea, Venezuela, and Vietnam, native Macau, Sari, and Taiwan are eligible, with the exception of the United Kingdom and its dependent territory, which are now eligible for diversity visa 2025. There was no change eligibility from previous fiscal year. If you are not a native country with historical rate of immigration to United States, there are the two other ways you may be able to qualify. Is your spouse a native of a country with historical rate of immigrant to United States? If yes, you can claim your spouse's country of birth, provided that you and your spouse name on the selected entry are found eligible and issued diversity visas and enter the United States at the same time. Are you a native country that does not have a historical rate of immigrant to the United States, but in which neither your parent was born or legal resident at the time of your birth? If yes, you may claim the country of the birth of the one of your parent. If a country was the native, are eligible for diversity visa 2025 program. For the more details on what this means, see frequent asked question. This link of the website I will be pinned in the first comment. Each diversity visa applicant must meet the education work experience required and the diversity program, but having either at least a high school education or its equivalent, defined as successful completion of 12 years course of the formal elementary and secondary education, or 2 years for the work experience with the past 5 years in any occupation that require at least 2 years of the training or experience to perform. The Department of the State will use the U.S. Department of the Labor or NET online database to determine qualified work experience. For the more information about qualification work experience, visit frequently asked question. Submit. Complete your electronic entry of diversity visa 2025 program. Submit your electronic diversity visa entry form, EDV entry form, or DS5501 online at dvprogram.state.gov. Will not accepted incomplete entries or entries sent but any other mean. There is no cost to submit the online entry form. Please use updated browser when submitting your application. Older browser Internet Explorer 8, for example, will likely encounter problem with online diversity visa system. We strongly encourage you to complete entry form yourself without a visa constraint. Visa agent or the other person who offer to help. If someone help you, you should be present when your entry is prepared, so that you can provide the correct answer to question and keep your unique confirmation number and printout of your confirmation screen. It's extremely important that you have the printout of your confirmation page and the unique confirmation number, and corpus confirmation page printout, and then demand more money or illegal activity in exchange for the confirmation number. With information, you will not be able to access online system that inform you of your entry status. Beware if someone offer to help this formation for you. You also should have access to email account listed in your EDV entry. So, the frequent asked question for the more information about diversity visa program scams. After submit a complete entry, you will see confirmation screen. Continue your name and unique confirmation number. Print this confirmation screen for your record. You will be able to check status of your entry returning to diversity visa program. Click Interest State Check and entry your unique confirmation number and personal information. You must use Interest State Check to check if you have been personal information. If you have been selected for diversity visa program, if you select to view instruction on how to process with your application, the US government will not inform you directly. Interest State Check. Please subscribe now for the more content like this for the diversity visa program or the green card Rota 2025. Let us see you in next video like this.